Welcome, Tear Collectors. Today we're gonna make a really delicious and fun cocktail with tears of the Left Kentucky Straight Bourbon. This one is going to be the Snowflaked. So as always, we're gonna start with our main ingredient of the show. 2 ounces of tears of the Left Kentucky Straight Bourbon. It's gonna go straight into a mixing tin. We wanna make sure that because we're using citrus and some other ingredients that we are shaking this one. Now we're gonna use 0.75 ounces of a homemade vanilla bean syrup. We've included the recipe for you, so it's super simple to make at home. 1/2 ounce of our Crème de Menthe Blanc. So that's gonna add a really nice fresh minty flavor, and then 1/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Final ingredient is a dash of absinthe. Add a healthy amount of ice. Want to make sure we're really getting the drink nice and cold and adding the right amount of water to it. And as every drink that's going into a coupe glass, we want to double strain this just to make sure there's no ice shards or anything floating that's not supposed to be. Now normally we would incorporate some type of tear-shaped garnish, but what better than a snowflake, edible one at that, for these snowflaked. So we'll just set this right on the side of the glass. And I feel like edible glitter, perfect final touch for the Snowflaked cocktail. Just a little on top there. And there you have it, the Snowflaked using our Tears of the Left Kentucky Straight Bourbon. Cheers to tears.